Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we are tackling Amazon stock as of November 20th, 2024. Recent news indicates a mixed sentiment surrounding Amazon. While some analysts predict further margin declines, others highlight the role of AI in boosting holiday sales for SMEs. There's certainly a buzz around Amazon's strategic moves in the AI sector. Let's see how these news events are reflected in the chart data. Starting with the daily chart, we see a relatively stable price action for Amazon in the last month, with the stock price fluctuating between $180 and $215. There's a notable increase in volume during periods of significant price movement, suggesting investor participation and potentially signaling bullish or bearish momentum depending on the direction. Zooming in on the last 2 weeks of October, we can pinpoint key support and resistance levels. The support at around $185 held briefly before breaking as the price dropped to its recent low near $190. The price has now broken above this key resistance. Notice the higher volume surrounding these price points. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to look at the recent price action more closely. We can see several instances where the price approached the $200 mark and briefly broke through it only to consolidate around the $195 range before moving up. This price point could act as a support level in the short term. In the hourly chart, we observe a clear upward trend over the last 72 hours. The support around the $195 to $200 range has been very strong. Volume has remained moderate but consistent in the hourly timeframe supporting this price action. The overall trend on the daily chart would support this upward trend in the short term. If we go to the 15-minute chart, this recent jump above the key resistance is even more apparent. Volume has been very high during the past hour on the 15-minute chart. On this chart, you can make several observations for short-term trading, with several instances where the price reached new highs and pulled back. We can see clear support and resistance levels on smaller price ranges during these swings. Let's recap. On the daily chart, support levels near $190 and $185 have been tested and have since been broken. The resistance of $205 has been challenged. The short-term price movement of the last couple days has made several swings between the $200 and $205 mark, with a possible support at $200. Short-term traders might look for short-term resistance at $205. Looking ahead, we need to see if this upward trend continues. A break above $210 would be significantly bullish, but we also need to observe volume to confirm the strength of this momentum. Overall, the outlook for Amazon seems bullish based on the recent price action, but risks remain, and additional volume confirmation would reinforce this likelihood.